Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. First, I will explain how to install a coupling onto a hose. The TC3-FS is composed of these three parts. First, turn the cap nut and remove it. Next, attach the sleeve to the nipple. There are points which require attention when attaching the sleeve. Insert the pins on the bottom of the sleeve into the pinholes in the base of the nipple hose nozzle. At this time, check that the pins are securely aligned with the pinholes in the base of the hose nozzle. Next, pass the hose through the cap nut. Hold the sleeve with your hand and fit the hose securely all the way onto the nipple. Finally, use a tool and tighten the cap nut so that there is no gap to complete installation. Next, I will explain how to connect one ferrule to another ferrule. Prepare the gasket and clamp. First, fit the gasket between the couplings that will be connected. Next, install the clamp and tighten it. Finally, when the clamp is tightened, the connection is complete. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel.